Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a Roblox mod menu on iOS and Android for 2025. So as you can see, we got God mode, unlimited Robux, all these settings. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get into the guide. It's pretty easy. So just go over this site. It's called hexmods.com. They got tons of mods for apps and games. So let me just hop on down. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar, type in Roblox. You should see Roblox Mod. So go ahead and press on it. We're going to press the download button and it's going to start downloading. Now, before it downloads, there will usually be a verification you have to do, which is really easy. You just have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official App Store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you how to do it. So as you'll see, it says complete 2 free apps. So it's going to be like 4 of them. Just press on it, press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the App Store. You download it, you're done. But make sure you read the instructions. This one says reach level 10. This one's run for 30 seconds. But it's so easy, guys. Like, here's an example. Like, as you can see, you just got to run the app and, like, play around with it. You know, just doing some basic interactions, tapping. I mean, this one I think is called Travel Town. I don't know if that one will show up for you guys. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's how to get the Roblox mod menu in 2025. You can see all the settings we get here. It is pretty expansive. So you can see we got God mode, we got unlimited Robux, we got wall hack, we got super jump. I mean, most of this stuff is pretty hard to get. So if you guys are interested in getting the Roblox mod menu, then be sure to go ahead and try this out. I've been looking for a working mod menu for quite a while, and this is the best one, guys, that they make. It's so cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you guys are interested in stuff like this, it's so awesome, bro.